Hi everyone. Thanks for listening. I'm sure you have some questions about what our proposed ePrint change is and how you might be impacted. So let's get started. Last year, in 2012-2013, Duke users printed 17 million sheets of paper. That's equivalent to 2,100 trees, 221,000 pounds of carbon, and 170,000 pounds of paper. So how did this happen? The current ePrint system allows for a $32 quota at a cost of 2 cents per sheet. This is equivalent to an allotment of 1,600 sheets per semester. Just to clarify, a sheet is a physical piece of paper, so on one sheet you can print 2 pages. After you reach your $1,600 allotment, you can apply for free refills on the OIT website. This graph represents ePrint undergraduate usage per semester. As you can see, the majority of users print less than 1,000 sheets per semester. In fact, the actual median of this data is less than 600 sheets per semester, which means that the majority of students print less than 600 sheets per semester. So what is our proposal? We're proposing that undergraduate students continue to receive a $32 semester allotment with an additional refill of $8 up to $40. To better align the cost per sheet with the true cost of printing, we also suggest that the cost per sheet be changed from 2 cents to 4 cents. 4 cents is a number that OIT identifies as a closer estimate of the cost of printing, although the real cost is likely higher. This means that you can print up to 1,000 sheets for free, which is 2,000 pages if you print double-sided. Additional printing is charged to Flex accounts directly. So who's affected by this? Fortunately, only the highest 20% of undergraduate users will be affected. And even for those people, the median overage is only 300 sheets, which, at a cost of 4 cents per sheet, is only $12 per semester. In fact, if we look at this chart here of the US News top 10 schools, we see that even with the proposed change, Duke still has the lowest cost of printing and one of the highest free quotas. The proposed 4 cents per sheet is still significantly lower than the average of 9.4 cents, as we can see here, charged by the other top 10 national universities. And more specifically, 5 of these schools have quotas with an average of just over 650 sheets per semester. That is well below our proposal of 1,000 sheets. So what happens now, and why is this better? Firstly, this aligns with Duke's climate action plan. Duke University is committed to become carbon neutral by 2024. This saves a lot of natural resource energy, including greenhouse gases emitted, paper, of course, as well as water in the production of paper. In addition, and most importantly, it creates the possibility to invest in further green initiatives as we start to realize some cost savings. And lastly, the most important of all is that it fosters a long-term discussion of environmental sustainability and our behaviors as part of that. So who's on board? This proposal has been reviewed by Provost Peter Lang, it's been reviewed by OIT Senior Management, it's been reviewed by Duke Libraries, as well as several student groups, including Environmental Alliance and the Graduate Professional Student Council. At the time of this recording, we've also presented to DSG, the Duke Student Government, and they'll be voting on a resolution on our proposal soon, so please stay tuned. So what's next? First, we'll be hosting a Q&A session that will be open to all students and all members of the Duke community for everyone to come and ask us any questions about how they might be impacted and what this proposal will look like. We want to hear what you have to say, and we want to help make you aware of what we're actually proposing here. Implementation will happen through OIT, and they will do that by fall 2014. After that, there will be an email sent out from OIT when the system is being implemented, informing everyone that this is happening. Just a note about the Q&A session, there will be reps from OIT, Duke Libraries, and Sustainable Duke there to help answer any questions you might have. And that's all. Thank you for listening.